Use the trial division method to determine if 313 is a prime number. So the trial division method says to determine if a number is prime, you only have to check if it's divisible by any primes smaller than the square root of the number. Okay, so I have to check, is 313 divisible by any prime numbers smaller than the square root of 313. Okay. Now, the square root of 313, we don't have a calculator, but I do know that 17 squared is 289 and 18 squared is 324. Okay. Now, if you didn't know these, you could think about a number that you do know the square of pretty easily, which would be 20, right? 20 squared is 400, which is bigger than the square root of 313. 400 is bigger than 313, so its square root will be bigger. So you could err on checking too many primes, right? We would know 20 squared is 400. That's an easy one to do in your head. And then you could just check all the primes smaller than 20, okay? So we would say the square root of 313 is smaller than the square root of 324 and bigger than the square root of 289. Okay. So 17 is the last prime I need to check. And if you didn't have these numbers, you could just check one more prime, which would be 19, right? So we'll check um, all the primes up to 17 or 19 if you didn't have these squares memorized. Okay, so we just need to check primes. So I start with 2, okay? 2 is the first prime. Is 313 divisible by 2? Nope, because 313 is not even, right? We can use the divisibility tests to help us do this quickly in some instances. So 313, it's not divisible by 2 because it does not end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. All right, let's see, is it divisible by 3? And in this case, there is a divisibility test that says you add the digits, and if the result is divisible by 3, then 313 is divisible by 3. So we add the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. That means 313 is not divisible by 3. Now, I don't have to check 4 because 4 is not a prime number. I'm only checking the primes smaller than 18, right? The primes up through 17. So my next one is 5, okay? And I can answer quickly, 5 does not divide 313 because 313 doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Okay, my next prime is 7, and there isn't a quick divisibility test for 7, so I'm going to have to do a long division for this one. And so I do 313 divided by 7, and I say, okay, 7 goes into 31 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. We subtract and we get 3, bring down a 3. 7 goes into 33 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract and I get 5. This is a remainder of 5, so 7 does not go in cleanly with no remainder. All right, next prime is 11. And this one also doesn't have an easy division test, so I'm going to have to do long division. 11 into 313. 11 goes into 31 twice. And when we subtract, we get 9. Bring down the 3. 11 goes into 93 8 times. And when we subtract, we get 5. So that is a remainder of 5. So 11 does not divide 313. Next, we need 13 is the next prime. So there's no divisibility test for 13. I'm going to have to do 313 divided by 13. 13 goes into 31 twice. 2 times 13 is 26. And when we subtract, we get 5. Bring down the 3. 13 goes into 53 4 times. 4 times 13 is 52. We subtract and we get 1. So I have a remainder of 1. 13 does not divide into 313 cleanly with no remainder. Okay, and then the last one we need to check is 17. And so I'll do that up here, 313 divided by 17. 17 goes into 31 once. 1 times 17, 17. And when we subtract, we get 14. Bring down the 3. 17 goes into 143 8 times. And 8 times 17 is 136, I think. And when we subtract, we get 7, which is a remainder of 7, which means 17 does not divide 313 cleanly with no remainder. So because none of the primes smaller than the square root of 313 divide 313, 313 is prime. Again, if you weren't sure about the squares of 17 and 18, so to figure out how high up you have to test, you could have gone all the way to 20. You could have said, okay, well, square root of 313 definitely smaller than the square root of 400, so I only need to check primes up to 20, and then you could have stopped at 19. Well, you would have had to do one more long division, seen that it doesn't divide, and you'd get that it's prime.